Hey, what's up, Missy Buggy Crew, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Lily. Say do, Lily. Bill, you should leave a like, subscribe while you're at it, and turn on the notification bell. What are you going to be doing, Lil? Gonna get up? So guys, I just wanted to plug, I know this is a boring video today, but I will be recording ARK later on today for you guys. Just consider smacking that subscribe button, smacking the bell, and smacking the like button, or this pug is going to snore you to death. If you want to see any other amazing content like my pictures, go on my Instagram at 2StarTrekFan, no spaces, no caps. And now go on my brand new TikTok, Jamie Spicer 50. I had to use my old name because that was for my email, my old name. So go follow me on TikTok as well. Oh my god, you're such a snorty pug. Look at this pug. How about we go say hello to Lady and throw a ball, see if she can catch it. Let's go outside. Is Data awake? Oh. Yes, there he is. Ready? Let's see what he does when I touch the handle. It's looking. Go now. Lady? Yeah. Lady, where's your ball? You love being on show, don't you? Give me your ball. Give me your ball. Right, got a ball. Zoom you guys out a bit. Ugh, I just put sub all over my phone. Ready? Get ready. Go far, lady. I've still got the ball. She didn't catch it. Yeah, sorry for the rubbish. Dad's building this. Lady. So lady does have a big, huge, sorry for the bad lighting, it's sunny. I'll go over here. Ugh. Lady does have a big, huge, like, pink ball, but I don't know where she's put it. Lady, go find your pink ball. Lady, here. Sit. Ah, no, not stand on my foot. Sit. 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 Lady. Lady. She don't want to listen. Lady, bring me your ball. Don't know what I was saying there. So, yeah, I just wanted to plug my TikTok, Jamie Spicer 50, my Instagram, 2StarTrekFan, and to subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. I will be recording 2 videos today, so, well, 3, counting this one. It'll be ARK, and the new Never update that has been done. What are you doing, lady? I thought I'd just show you my pets. It's early in the morning at the moment. I didn't normally come out here at all, but I thought I'd show you my pets. So this is Lady. She's 2 years old, I think, or 1, I can't remember. Come here. Sit. Sit. Sit down. No, not sit. Oh, could get a paw. She does not want to listen today. Lady, sit. She's like, I know you're recording. I'm not going to listen. Lady, sit. Sit. Give me your paw. Good girl. Lady, you want to say hello? Lady, you want to say hello? You want to say hello? Oh, I didn't smack my phone out my hands. So yeah, this is basically what I'm doing today. Just showing you a bit of what I do. Look, she turns into a pointer dog. When she's got her ball, drop it. Now look at her. What's that? Alright, pass it here. Pass it here. Yeah, sorry for the mess. We're just doing some construction at the moment. How did you not catch that? Possibly a bonfire soon. Don't know when. Let's go back inside. I'll show you Data up close. Take a ball back. I don't want it. Got to close her in because she barks if not. No, you're not coming with me. Come with me. Come on, big dog. So this is the little garden for the guinea pig, known as Data. Whoa. See if we'll come up the stairs. Data. I see you. I need to get back indoors. Neighbours' music. Lily Lil. Cereal? Lazy pug? She's lazy, isn't she? I haven't been slamming around. You lazy bug. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and so you don't miss out on that ARK video coming out today. Bye bye.